Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add Flutter text animations to your Instagram stories. So if you guys want to make your Instagram stories extra romantic this Valentine season, in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can add fluttering text animations to make your love messages and captions stand out beautifully. So I'm going to show you first how you can access the Instagram new fonts and also text animations. But first, you need to make sure that you already has the updated Instagram applications. You can check in the App Store or Play Store and update your apps if there is any update available. So once updated, just open the app and open the Instagram story camera here. Click on the plus icon and just start uploading your photo or capture like this. And as you guys can see here at the top, there will be this fonts options with love on it at the beginning, and that's where you can get the new Instagram Valentine theme fonts. Here you can see there's this sweetheart tags sorry phone and also the heartbreaker, so you can just choose between these two which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to just write happy Valentine like this with the love. Okay, so you can change the phone's color if you want to. So this is how the sweetheart phones look like. You can adjust the size and also the position. And to add the fluttering text animation, you can click on the text again, and here click on this button, and there will be this flutter text animations. And as you guys can see now, the text will turn like this, and there's also this jag text animations, but I think this one is more suited with the heartbreaker fonts. Okay, it look like this. And so that's pretty much all. That's how you can add Flutter text animations on your Instagram stories. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.